Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For the matter, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Once the Snapchat app is open, what we're gonna do is if we go to our chat box section, we can find all of our friends, right? So if you want to remove a particular one, we can simply go ahead, press and hold that person's profile, and we can see this option called manage friendship. If you tap on it, we can have this remove friend option. We can simply remove that person, right? But we do not have an option where you can go ahead, even if we try all of the settings above, we don't have option called remove all of my friends. So what we can do is, for the matter, we're going to go to our profile, and then we're going to scroll down, tap on this my friends option. Now we're going to go choose a particular alphabet, see all of our friends at once. We're going to tap on that person's profile. We're going to tap and press and hold on that person's profile, and we're going to go ahead, tap on this manage friendship option and remove that friend from over here. What this will do is this will simply bring all of the people at once at one place, so you can go ahead and remove them. Still, you gotta do it one by one. There is no option called remove all at once. If you really want to start a new friend list, new journey whatsoever here in Snapchat, you gotta go ahead, go to your profile, go to settings, and you gotta simply delete your account. You gotta create another account, which you can do it from over here. And you need help option, you can go ahead, tap on this delete my Snapchat account, and you can delete your existing one and you can create a new one with the new friend list. So this is the option available, y'all. There is no other way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.